Namaste. How are you, Menu?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
How are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey, Binoy, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And again, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Too fed up with this, right? Whenever we need to ask about the well-being of a person, we are more likely to ask, how are you? And when we ask this question, we always reply, I'm fine, thank you. If you want to make a difference, you're at the right place because I'm here with a brand new How Are You series from English Partner. Let's make a difference together. Welcome to the third episode of our special How Are You series from English Partner. In the previous videos, we have been discussing about various styles and replacements of asking how are you without actually asking how are you. But this How Are You series is not just about asking how are you, it's also about replying back when people ask you, how are you? Well, I'm sure that most of you will be thinking, yes, I know how to answer for this question. It's I'm fine, thank you. You're absolutely right. But don't you think it's too much used and cliche to answer like that? Let's try something new. And when someone asks you, how are you, it's not necessary to answer them in a positive way. You can be neutral, you can be positive, you can be negative because they are asking how you feel about yourself and you don't have to fake how you feel about yourself. In today's video, we'll be discussing about few ways of answering to this how are you question in a very positive way. Let's start. Well, when someone asks you, how are you, instead of saying I'm fine, you can say I'm good. And if you want to enhance the sentence, you can add some adjectives before this good, like I am pretty good, I'm fairly good, or I'm really good. Another way of saying I'm fine is I am well. So this wellness is openly connected with physical wellness. So when you say that you are well, it means you are physically well and good, you are healthy. You can also say I am doing well. But you cannot say I'm doing good because good is an adjective and it can never be used as an adverb. And also when you say I'm doing good, it means that you are doing some good things, like you are doing charity, which is a good thing, but it does not convey that you are actually doing fine. When you're so happy and cheerful and so satisfied, and if someone is asking you this question, you can tell them that I have never been better or never been better. I can give you an alternative as well. Better than I deserve. When you're in between something or when you're involved in a process and people ask you, how are you? You can say, so far so good. Because here people want to know the progress of the situation that you are involved in. And there is an uncertainty about the future. So definitely you can say, so far you're doing good. So far so good. The coolest way of answering this question, if you want to say that you're fine, but you don't want to say you are fine, instead you can say, I'm great. So yeah, I'm great. So next time when someone asks you, how are you? Don't answer by saying, I'm fine, thank you. Instead, use this different ways of answering to this question and be different. I'll be back with another episode of this How Are You series. Till then, bye-bye.